And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how the SpyStream software works, show a few example case studies of SpyStream making money quickly, and really the most important features of it that you should emphasize to your subscribers. So basically, SpyStream is a behavior monitoring analytics software for WordPress that can record video sessions on autopilot and show heat click maps of what visitors do on your page and how specifically they interact with it that you can play back and watch to help reveal the hidden reasons your visitors aren't converting that A/B testing tools or Google Analytics simply can't tell you. Have you ever heard of the very expensive software ClickTale? Well, that's what SpyStream does essentially, only we've developed it in a way to offer immense value the video mouse tracking does, but at a very low price with no monthly fees or restrictions that anyone can get access to. And plus, to really make sure that it takes off and converts, we're offering the chance to get the reseller's license for SpyStream on the front end version for a limited time only. Basically, the software will be divided into a basic front-end version, which I'm going to demo for you now, and a much more advanced pro version, which I'm going to talk about later. SpyStream will show why the visitor didn't opt in, why the visitor didn't buy your product, why they left your site. And unlike split testing softwares that can take weeks or months to test for one variable, you can watch these videos on any content you choose at any time and know instantly what went wrong and what you can do to improve conversions fast. So say, for example, you have SpyStream installed on this website, and the visitor lands and moves their mouse around like this. What happens is the software records a video session of this interaction that you can view from inside the dashboard of SpyStream. So just log into your site that you have SpyStream installed on, and you'll see we have a dashboard here that monitors important analytics information right at your fingertips, like bounce rate, visits, average visitor duration, etc. And to dive even deeper and start watching these spy videos, you can either drill down across different content, like your top pages, page types, entry pages, etc., or just simply click on DOM Stream to see a list of the latest video sessions SpyStream has recorded. Just choose the date and content you want and click play. Now, it will bring up a page. You just hit play over here, and it will replay exactly what the visitor did on your site. So that's not me moving the mouse around, but a recorded video session of what the user did. Now, as you can imagine, there's so many ways this is going to help you run campaigns and drastically increase ROI. You can improve retention and bounce rate, save hours of time from split testing, improve your site's conversion rate and opt-in forms, fix Facebook ad campaigns that aren't really converting to drive traffic cheaper, fix screen resolution issues, check your site for security and vulnerabilities, watch how users are interacting with your videos and VSLs, monitor your shopping cart and funnel process, and far more. Now, because this isn't like another shiny object and can make drastic changes for anyone's business quickly, we have a number of great case studies and real proof of making serious money. So just as one quick example I'm going to show, I was testing this on a marketing campaign for a Kindle software I was doing that I couldn't really get anyone to buy from. Now, according to Google Analytics and the other conversion tools, this campaign was essentially dead. And it was just an offer that nobody wanted. But after just a few video view sessions, I noticed videos like this where the user scrolled past the headline, got to the buy button, and then left. So this immediately told me that this was an offer people were interested in since they went past the headline, but the price was tripping them up and then ruining the conversions. So I changed the price around and the conversions went up drastically just in a day, and that promo went on to make several $1,000s. Here's another example of how you can use it. I had opt-in forms and pop-ups all over this blog of mine, but it wasn't really generating many subscribers really for the amount of hits the pages were getting. So I installed the SpyStream and noticed videos like this, where they were clicking on social links and content links and just kind of skipping over the lead page opt-in forms just above them, and also skipping the pop-ups. So I designed the site to put the social links on a page after they subscribed and put opt-in forms in the content, and the subscribers drastically increased just from this change. Like this video here of a new user stopping and then going to click the opt-in form inside the content. Also, SpyStream comes with heat map tracking. So to generate a heat click map of any content, just choose what content you want and click the heat map overlay button. And it will show a heat map over the content of where the visitors clicked and interacted. So those blue dots there are showing where the user clicked, of course. Now in this case, you can see from that blog example, there were tons of clicks on the social and content links, like I said, but not many on the opt-in form. So this again helped contribute to me quickly fixing the site and then drastically increasing the subscribers. So what I just showed you there was the basic version of SpyStream. But on OTO1, we have the Pro version, which has way more features. So things like ability to really drill down and see who your visitors are, like their geolocation, loyalty to the site, what browser type they're operating, etc. We'll have the ability to see the most popular search terms. You can track performance of ads you set up, track actions users take across different content, and even a really cool feature that allows users of SpyStream to set up conversion funnels and track the conversion rate and analyze these DOM streams across the funnels that you set up, and tons more. If they get SpyStream basic version, well, they're really going to want to upgrade to the Pro version, especially if they opted for the higher priced resellers option on the front end. So as you can see, this is something that doesn't just work in theory, but it's an essential conversion tool that's going to deliver massive value and get rid of tons of frustration as soon as your subscribers install it, whether they're trying to optimize their blog, a Shopify for WordPress site, their own product launch, and tons more.